Hello everyone. Today, we will discuss building AI applications with Amazon Bedrock. In this lecture, we will learn how to build AI applications using Amazon Bedrock. Amazon Bedrock is a managed foundation model service that allows developers to access multiple AI models, such as Anthropic Claude, AI-21 Labs, Stability AI, and Amazon Titan through a unified API. It eliminates the need for infrastructure management, integrates securely with AWS services, and follows a pay-per-use pricing model. This makes it ideal for enterprise AE applications. Amazon Bedrock enables developers to build generative AE systems without managing model infrastructure. Developers can call models like Anthropic Claude using simple API requests. The service automatically handles scaling and integrates with AWS security and monitoring tools. Why Bedrock for enterprise AI? Now let's understand why Bedrock is important for enterprise AI. In traditional AI deployment, applications require custom GPU infrastructure, model hosting, and manual scaling. This involves significant DevOps effort. With Amazon Bedrock, there is no need for model hosting. Scaling is automatic, AWS security is integrated, and developers can focus entirely on application logic. This reduces operational overhead and significantly improves time to market. Anthropic Claude models. Let's look at the Claude model family. Claude models are designed for advanced reasoning, strong safety, and long context tasks. They support context windows of up to 200,000 tokens, making them suitable for enterprise use and RAG systems. The Claude family includes Claude Haiku, which is fast and efficient, Claude Sonnet, which provides balanced performance, Claude Opus, which offers maximum intelligence. These models are ideal for AI assistance and complex enterprise applications. Bedrock architecture next, we examine the architecture. A user sends a request to the application front end. The request goes through an API layer, typically API Gateway. Then, AWS Lambda handles orchestration, including prompt construction, context retrieval, and response processing. Amazon Bedrock performs the model inference using Claude. Backend storage such as RDS or DynamoDB is used to maintain application data. This architecture is serverless, event-driven, and automatically scales while minimizing operational overhead. Calling Claude via Bedrock API now. Let's see how to call Claude using the Bedrock API. Developers use the Bedrock Runtime API with the invoke_model method. The request is sent in JSON format and includes the model ID and input messages. The response is also returned in JSON. The API supports multiple programming languages through AWS SDKs, including Python, JavaScript, and Java. It also supports streaming responses, as well as synchronous and asynchronous calls. Prompt structure for Claude prompt structure is critical for model performance. An effective prompt includes system instructions that define the role and behavior of the AI, context information such as retrieved data, the user's query, and the expected output format. It may also include examples and constraints. A well-structured prompt leads to more accurate and consistent responses. Bedrock plus RAG architecture. Now let's discuss Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. RAG improves accuracy by grounding responses in external data. First, the user query is converted into embeddings. Then, a vector database such as pgvector is used to perform similarity search and retrieve relevant documents. These documents are added as context to the prompt. Claude then processes this context and generates a response. This approach reduces hallucinations and enables domain-specific knowledge in enterprise AI systems. Claude for AI assistance. Claude is highly effective for building AI assistance. It can answer questions, analyze documents, generate code, provide recommendations, and summarize content. It supports multi-turn conversations and maintains context over long interactions. These capabilities make it suitable for assistants, co-pilots, and knowledge systems. Security and governance. Security is an important aspect of Amazon Bedrock. It integrates with AWS services such as IAM for access control, VPC endpoints for private network access, and encryption for data at rest and in transit. Logging and auditing are handled through CloudTrail. Importantly, customer data is not used to train foundation models, ensuring privacy. Monitoring. The AI systems monitoring is handled using Amazon CloudWatch. Key metrics include request count, latency, errors, and token usage. Token tracking is essential for cost management. Monitoring allows teams to debug issues, optimize performance, and control costs through alerts and metrics. Scaling AI applications. Amazon Bedrock supports automatic scaling. API Gateway handles incoming requests, Lambda scales to thousands of concurrent executions, and Bedrock scales inference automatically. This serverless architecture eliminates the need for capacity planning and ensures that applications can handle traffic spikes efficiently. Real-world Bedrock applications. Amazon Bedrock is used in many real-world applications. These include AI chatbots, document processing systems, code generation tools, knowledge assistants, RAG-based search systems, and customer support automation. Claude's reasoning capabilities make it particularly effective for these use cases. Example: production, AI architecture. Finally, let's look at a production-ready architecture. The front end is hosted using AWS Amplify. API Gateway provides the API layer, and Lambda handles orchestration. Bedrock performs AI inference using Claude. Postgres with pgvector is used for structured and vector data storage. S3 is used for storing documents and artifacts. Monitoring is handled by CloudWatch. This architecture is fully serverless, scalable, and cost-effective. Thank you.